everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. For those of you who made it here from Skip to My Lou, my first channel. Hi guys! On this channel, we're going to be doing a lot of interior design, home staging, fix and flips, and of course DIY decor. Duh. In today's video, we are going to look at two very different houses. Now, they are different despite the fact that they are in the same neighborhood, the same price, the same size, and I thought there was a fourth one, but there isn't. Same neighborhood, same size, same price. But what makes these homes so different from one another is how they're presented. I just thought I'd share with you the good and the bad of staging and not staging. And as a home stager, one of them actually brought tears to my eyes, hurt me physically. Both of these homes I was very curious about, mostly because of the pictures I viewed online. All right, let's check out the second home I viewed just because you have to see it. We're gonna call them House A and House B. I was going to try to be nice about House A, but I'll tell you why I'm not. Picture one. I don't even know what to say. Picture two. Must I go on? Anyway, I went to the open house and I was able to get quite a bit on video. Hi.
There you go. Give me this flyer here.
Okay. I'm not going to say anything. Someone smokes here, huh?
Yeah, they do, unfortunately.
Oh, that's too bad. That's the problem with this house. Well, not the only problem, but a big one. The owners smoked. And sometimes that's not a big issue, but they smoked inside their home and neglected to open any windows or air that place out before potential buyers could look at it or smell it. I've staged homes before where the owner smoked, but knowing that they were trying to sell their home, they either smoked outside or aired it out before an open house or any viewing. This house was not like that. Aside from the fact that this house was filled to the rim with just stuff everywhere, all of it was outdated, very personal, kind of scary. That thing comes alive at night and haunts your dreams. And just all around too much. As if the smell of smoke wasn't enough, on my way down to the basement, I was hit with a wall of cat pee smell. Now, I met the cat. Hi, come here. Hi, I'm sorry your parents smoke. And I almost put it in my purse and took it home with me because I felt like that poor cat was probably breathing in secondhand smoke and his lungs were probably the color of his fur, but I left him there. I like to think that I can see the potential in any house, but it was so hard to see anything through all this stuff. Oh my God. Hi. Stuff everywhere. Just stuff. 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 I know everyone has their own home style, but unfortunately that needs to change when your house goes on the market. I can tell you right now, this house will not sell, period. Even if you took all of the stuff out, you would be left with two very different and very offensive aromas. I did also find out that this home was in pre-foreclosure. And if the owners were really concerned about this, there's so much they can do in order to perhaps make a sale. Okay, bye-bye House A. House B. House B. Here's a little slideshow. Now, I didn't stage this home, unfortunately, but I will say it looks great. It was purchased as a fix and flip. And aside from all the new finishes, paint, hardwood floors, this guy, I know it's a guy, knew what he was doing. He hired a stager before it ever went on the market, and he did have a choice to just try to sell it vacant. My husband and I went to this open house, which we literally walked to. I can see the house from here. My house. And it looked just as good, if not better, in person than it did in pictures. could get 7 for this.
Yeah. I hope they do.
I hope so too. And it smelled fine. I know the company that staged this home and they do great work. So House B is an example of what a house should look like when it hits the market. Clean, nicely decorated, and fragrance free. Anyway, that's it for this first video on my new channel, Design Time. And for those of you who suggested names on my other channel for this channel, they were fabulous. I love them all, but I didn't pick any of them. I went with Design Time, mostly because I wanted to say, what time is it? It's design time. I'm a huge nerd. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.